Ever dream of constructing massive, intricate builds in Minecraft, but get overwhelmed by the sheer scale? Today, I'm going to show you how to install Litematica, the ultimate building mod that makes crafting those architectural marvels a breeze. First, you'll need to head to the Litematica website, locate the download section, make sure to click on the correct download link, as the mod is not available on many launcher marketplaces and requires you to download its file manually. Litematica needs Minecraft Forge to run, so first you must head to the Forge website, select the Minecraft version you would like to download your mod for, then click the installer button and await the download. Once Forge has downloaded, open the jar file window will appear. Select Install Client and hit OK, then wait for the installation to complete. Now, open your Minecraft launcher and make sure to select the Forge profile that you just installed. This will ensure that Minecraft launches with the Forge features activated. Now, go back to your Downloads folder, or wherever you saved the Litematica jar file. Then, locate your Minecraft directory folder. The easiest way to do this is via Minecraft launcher. By clicking on Installations, locating the profile you chose and clicking the folder icon. Once the Minecraft folder is open, locate the mods folder. If this folder doesn't exist, create a new folder and name it lowercase mods. Simply drag the Litematica jar file into the mods folder in your Minecraft directory. Launch Minecraft, and when the game loads, you should see the Litematica mod has been installed. Now, you can import schematics, view build previews, and create complex structures quickly and easily. Happy building!